Welcome to sureshbhattclasses. We are solving questions on quantitative aptitude topic H.C.F and l.c.m. All the topics of quantitative aptitude are useful for many competitive exams like SSC CGL, RRB, Bank PO, Railways, and many government job exams and job interviews. These topics of quantitative aptitude are also useful for many entrance exams like GRE, GMAT, CAT, SAT, ACT, and many more. Please watch all my videos on quantitative aptitude topic questions. In this video, we are solving mixed questions of HCF and LCM. Our question is, the LCM of two numbers is 55 times their HCF. The sum of LCM and HCF is 1960. If one number is 175, find the other number. The given options are option A 345, option B 350, option C 365, option D 385. Before solving this question, I request you to please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. It is given that the LCM is 55 times the HCF. Let HCF be H. Therefore, LCM is 55 times H. So I write it as 55H. And their sum is H plus 55H is 56H. And this is given to us equal to 1960. This gives the value of H equal to 35, as 56 times 35 is 1960. Therefore, LCM equal to 1960 minus 35 is equal to 1925. We know that the product of two numbers A multiplied by B equal to LCM, I am writing L for LCM, multiplied by HCF, I am writing H for HCF. It means that one number given to us is 175 multiplied by B equal to LCM equal to 1925 multiplied by 35. 35 cancels 175 for 5 times and 5 cancels 1925 for 385 times. Therefore, the second number or other number is 385. And from the given options, our answer is option D, 385. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. We go to the next question. Our question is, the LCM and HCF of two 3-digit numbers are 1776 and 296 respectively. Find the numbers. The given options are option A 296 and 1776, option B 592 and 888, option C 296 and 592, option D 592 and 740. Before solving this question, I request you to please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. As the HCF is 296, so we can assume the two numbers as 296x and 296y, and their product, that is 296x into 296y, is equal to 296 multiplied by 1776. 296 is cancelled on both sides and The other 296 cancels 1776 for 6 times. This gives the value of x into y equal to 6. If x into y is 6, then in ordered pair, we can assume the value of x and y as 1 and 6 or 2 and 3, as 1 times 6 is 6 and 2 times 3 is 6. If we take 1 and 6, then the numbers will be 296 and 1776. And if we take 2 and 3, then the numbers will be 296 times 2 is 592 and 296 times 3 is 888. We cannot accept 296 and 1776, as 1776 is not a 3-digit number, and as per the question both the numbers must be 3-digit number. So we accept 592 and 888 as both the numbers are of 3 digits. And from the given options, our answer is option B, 592 and 888. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. We go to the next question. Our question is, the sum and difference of LCM and HCF of two numbers are 364 and 308 respectively. If sum of the numbers is 196, find the numbers. The given options are option A, 56 and 140, option B, 28 and 168, option C, 70 and 126, option D, 84 and 112. Before solving this question, I request you to please like, share and don't forget to subscribe this channel. I am writing L for LCM and H for HCF. It's given that the LCM plus HCF is equal to 364 and LCM minus HCF is 308. If we add these, then twice of LCM equal to 672. Therefore LCM L equal to 336. And if we put this value in L plus H equal to 364, then we get the value of HCF equal to 364 minus 336 is 28. So our LCM is 336 and HCF is 28. Now we assume the numbers 28x is one number and another number is 28y, as their HCF is 28. And this sum given to us is 196. Therefore, x plus y equal to 196 divided by 28 is 7. 196 divided by 28 is 7. And we know that the product of two numbers is product of HCF and LCM. So we use that property and write 28x multiplied by 28y equal to 28 multiplied by 336. 28 cancels 28 on both sides and another 28 cancels 336 for 12 times. This gives the value of x multiplied by y equal to 12. And we know that x plus y is 7. So x into y, if 12, then x equal to 3 and y equal to 4, or vice versa, because 3 plus 4 is 7, as well as x into y, that is 3 into 4 is 12. Therefore the numbers are 28 multiplied by 3. 28 multiplied by 3 is 84. Therefore, one number is 84 and other number is 28 times 4, which is 112. And from the given options, our answer is option D, 84 and 112. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. We go to the next question. Our question is, the LCM of three different numbers is 180. Which of the following numbers cannot be their H.C.F? The given options are option A, 9, option B, 12, option C, 28, option D, 36. Before solving this question, I request you to please like, share and don't forget to subscribe this channel. This is very easy question and we can solve it orally. We know that H.C.F must be a factor of LCM, and on observing the given options, 9 is factor of 180, so 9 cannot be our answer. Option B, 12, 12 is factor of 180 and therefore option B cannot be our answer. Option C, 28, 28 is not the factor of 180, so option C must be our answer. And option D, 36 is also the factor of 180. Therefore, option D cannot be our answer. Hence, our answer is option C. I hope you have understood this easy question. We go to the next question. Our question is, the LCM of 72, 120 and a third number is 2520 and their HCF is 24. What is the possible third number? The given options are option A, 168, option B, 504, option C, 840, option D, all A, B, C. Before solving this question, I request you to please like, share and don't forget to subscribe this channel. We prime factorize all given numbers. 72 is 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 3 to the power 2, as 2 to the power 3 is 8 and 3 to the power 2 is 9 and 8 times 9 is 72. 120 is 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 and HCF is 24 and 24 is 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 3 and LCM is 2520 and this is equal to 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 3 to the power 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7. It means that the third number must contain the HCF, which is 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 3 as the factor of other numbers, and that can be, if we observe the LCM, then 2 to the power 3 is already covered in HCF and 3 to the power 1 is covered in HCF. The other number must contain 1 3 and 1 7 or 1 5 multiplied by 7 or 1 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7 or just 7. So if we expand these, so it will become 24 into 7 times 3 is 21 or 35 or 105 or 7. and this can be 24 times 21 is 504, or 24 times 35, which is 840, or 24 times 105, which is 2520, or 24 times 7 is 168. So our answer must be either 168 or 504 or 840, which are option A, B and C, and D contains all these three options. So our answer is option D, all A, B and C. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. We go to the next question. Our question is, the LCM of two numbers is 1197 and their HCF is 19. If one number is 133, find the other number. The given options are option A 95, option B 114, option C 171, option D 152. Before solving this question, I request you to please like, share and don't forget to subscribe this channel. We know that if the two numbers are A and B, then A multiplied by B equal to product of their HCF, I am writing H for HCF, multiplied by their LCM, I am writing L for their LCM. So the number B equal to H multiplied by L upon A, that is the product of HCF and LCM divided by one of the numbers, and I put the values of HCF, LCM and one of the numbers. HCF is 19 multiplied by LCM is 1197 and one number given to us is 133. 19 divides 133 for 7 times and 7 divides 1197 for 171 times. Therefore, the other number is 171. And from the given options, our answer is option C, 171. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. We go to the next question. Our question is, the HCF of three different numbers is 12. Which of the following numbers cannot be their LCM? The given options are option A 36, option B 48, option C 96, option D 100. Before solving this question, I request you to please like, share and don't forget to subscribe this channel. This is very easy question. The HCF must be a factor of LCM, as 36 has factor 12, 48 has factor 12, 96 has factor 12, but option D 100 doesn't have 12 as its factor. So our answer must be option D. But can we verify whether other numbers may be the LCM of three different numbers? The three numbers cannot be less than its HCF. So the numbers cannot be less than 12. If 36 has to be LCM, then what can be the numbers? The number can be 12, 18 and 36. If the LCM is 48, then what the numbers can be? The numbers can be 12, 24 and 48. And if the LCM is 96, then what can be the numbers? Number can be 12, 24 and 96, or 24, 48 and 96, or 12, 48 and 96. These are the various set of numbers having their LCM as 36, 48 and 96. But 100 cannot be the LCM of the numbers whose H.C.F is 12, as 100 is not the multiple of 12. And from the given options, our answer is option D, 100. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. Please do lot of practice from different books and solve as many questions as possible to become expert in solving the questions of quantitative aptitude topics. Here completes this video. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Thanks for watching.